Perfect. 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 Perfect.
right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is your time, it is always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe. This is TradeIntuition. And today, no camera. No camera. We're going to do this one a rapid fire type session. Today, we have reserved 30 minutes for charts, for questions, for coins. Now, if we get a lot of coins or a lot of questions, then we will extend it to 1 hour. So normally every day I reserve 1 hour. Today's been just crazy, busy, crazy. Hopefully everybody's making money. I really do hope everybody's making money. I'm going to turn down the mic just a little bit, that way we don't get any booms. All right, guys, so here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. First things up is Bitcoin. Load me up with your questions. Once again, this is your time. You know, if you have questions as far as indicators, divergence, you know, time frames to trade on, you know, just any questions you have, it's like having a mentor for free, 100%. So definitely smash the likes, guys. Definitely smash the likes. And let's go and get started. First thing we do is we go and we look at Bitcoin. We don't spend an hour on Bitcoin. We spend about 5-10 minutes because it's the same thing over and over again. It's just an update. So let's go ahead and look at this update. We do have this trend line that is still holding. Of course, we have our moving averages here, but to make it less messy, let's go ahead and take that off. We were thinking right around here that it was going to come down, and did it? Nope, sure didn't. Did not come down at all and bounce. Instead, it continued to go up, broke above this level, found support, continued coming up, broke through our major level. This right here is a very strong level right at 71.2. Very strong level. And it broke right through it. It had no issues. Then, of course, we saw the price was right here, and we said there's plan A and plan B. Plan A is it comes down. Plan B is that it goes up. Now, on plan A, if it does come down, hopefully find support here, and it did, before it comes up, maybe possibly doing a lower high, and then continuing this trend. You can draw a trend line here, and you can also do a trend line here. This would be a downtrend. When we would want to enter is when it breaks that downtrend, which would more than likely be here. So just kind of give you a heads up on that. This is what we've been looking at. This is what we see. Now, could it just flip and go the opposite way? Sure could. Does that mean that what I teach doesn't work? No, because I don't teach predicting the future. I teach support, resistance, trend lines. It'll remain support until it breaks it. It'll remain resistance until it breaks it. And what we do is react to the move. That's the best way to trade. So if the price action bounces here and comes up, well, then now potentially we could start a really nice bull run after it breaks its last level. This is the last level, guys. We are so close. We are so close to making insane amount of money. Now, I must warn you, we will have pullbacks. When everything is great and euphoric and just, you know, you're high-fiving, you're telling people about your portfolio, you're bringing out your phone just to show people your balance. When that starts happening, just know there will be a retracement for the altcoins. Easy 30-35%. Easy. Have money on the sites. You know, if you get paid and you can allocate $50 or you can put $50 aside for crypto, save $5 of those dollars for the pullback. If you have $200 you can allocate to crypto, save $50 for the pullback, and just save it and save it and save it. So when it does happen, you do not get wrecked. Like you're waiting for it to happen. You want it to happen so that when it does, you can put all that money you saved in one of your coins or maybe a few of your coins. Because guess what? The next day, it usually retraces or usually bounces right back up to where it came down from. So automatically instant 25 to 35% gains without you even having to try. So be prepared for that, guys. Be prepared for that. If you like that tip, definitely smash the like. I'm going to give you another tip before we continue. What I strongly recommend, because we know that prices will come down, and usually this is just like a flash crash type thing. Nobody's expecting it. Everything's looking great. There's no bad news in the market. There's no, nothing's going on. Just all of a sudden, it just dumps and dumps fast. And when this happens, the exchanges get overwhelmed and you're unable to close trades. You're unable to market sell. You're unable to do anything. And sometimes the exchanges, they just go out, period, to where you can't do anything. You can't even log in. When that happens, it's going to be okay. It happens because there's just a huge influx of people. So this is why it's very important to always have your stop loss. And if possible, if this is something that you're wanting to do as an extra tip, what I would recommend, and just do this on a few of your coins. Let's just say you have 5 coins that you really, really like and you're very bullish on. What I would recommend, and I've done this and it works, is wherever your price action's at currently, use the price range tool, and I'll show you right here. I'm not sure why I'm not showing this on the chart, but use your price range tool and then just mark where it's at, and then just mark 35%, or 30%, whatever you want to do, 25%. So you mark it right here, and then for that particular coin, not Bitcoin, but that particular coin, you put an entry right here, and you put whatever amount you want. Now, granted, it's going to remove it from your available balance, so it's almost like saving money from yourself. It's going to remove it from your available balance. It's going to go into your open orders because it's not filled yet, and it'll sit there. It'll sit there until you cancel this order, and then let's say the price continues going up and up and up, and you do this maybe every 3 days, every week, just whenever you can. Or whenever there's like a nice pump, and then you go again. And now you have, let's say you're doing 25%. So you would cancel your lower order, and then you would put your order down here. So that if and when that retracement comes down and it wicks everybody out and it stops everybody out, well, guess what? You have your order right here. It comes down, it wicks, your orders get filled, and it comes right back up. I've seen this hundreds and hundreds of times. And this is sometimes within minutes. It'll come down just to wick everybody out, stop everybody out, and then it just travels right away. And then by the time you see it, like you're already, because of this entry right here, let's say this was your only entry, you're up 15% by the time you see it. You're up 35%. And then, of course, it comes up here and then continues doing its thing, retraces a little bit, goes up. And this is, I made so much money doing this. Now, granted, I didn't do it a lot because I didn't have a lot of extra money. But when I did do it, and there was times where I would forget about them. Matter of fact, there was one, boom, just recently. I forgot all about my lower entry. And then one day I'm checking my assets, and I saw that I had boom. I was like, man, I don't remember boom. That was up like 8%. I was like, I don't remember this. I said, oh, that I forgot to cancel the lower bid. I said, oh, cool. Let me cash out now. So I got a little bit of money. All right, moving on. Bitcoin, we went over plan A, plan B. We went over the support and resistance levels. This again is our key level, 73. We can just call it 73 is our key level. It's 73.5, I guess. So let's go ahead and just get this. See, I've never done the magnet tool with this. Will this work? How about if I drag it from here? Nope, can't drag it from there. Okay, so that didn't work. But we'll just call this 73.5. 73.5. So this is the level that we're looking at right there. Now, granted, it went a little bit higher than that, the wick, but we're just doing candle body close for this example. This is our level. Once we break this, get ready, guys. Get ready. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. Once again, this will be a 30-minute show. I can do an extra 30 minutes, if we get coins and questions and all that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. We have Jono. Jono, why are you screaming, man? Why is that so? Let's see here. Let's go ahead and where is my old man glasses? There we go. Jono says, hey, Joe, keen to have a look at CAS. $4 million market cap. Let's do it. Let's do it. let's come over here. Let's go to our YouTube. That way I do not expose any of the VIP calls. And VIP is killing it, guys. VIP is absolutely killing it. It's crazy. Oh, and we did another live stream and we killed it. We did another short or long. I forgot what we did, but we made money. We made money. And we did it last night too. Okay. So this coin. Okay. I gotta see what this coin is. That's when I went to the 1 hour time frame. This I don't like. I don't like these long big pumps and dumps. Big pumps and dumps. I don't like this. 100% for me personally, I wouldn't trade this. Me personally, because of this. Let's see. Let's go to the 4 hour. Doesn't look as bad. So the 4 hour doesn't look as bad. Let's see. For me personally, I'd stay away from this one, but that's just me. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. So that was CAS. And once again, guys, if you are not using pre to search, I don't know what you're doing, because you're throwing away free crypto. Every time you do a search, you get free coins. This is in the description, and also posting it one more time in the chat. This is, you get free coins. You use my referral link that I just sent, and that gives you free coins just for signing up. So let's go ahead, go over here. Let's go to this, and then with CAS. Oh, wrong one. CAS. Okay. Cache, I guess. Ugh, that's hard. Oh, me no likey. 4 million. That I love. Absolutely love. So it's on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, BEP20. It's down 98%. I don't find that hard to believe. 3 hours ago. See here. This is a DeFi, which is good. Payments, nice. Mobile payments. Okay, so basically DeFi. There's so many of these. So many of these. So while that's loading up, let's go back over here to the all-time high. When was this done? 2018. That's not good. I'll tell you why in just a moment. Markets. Okay, so it is on MEXC, and it is on KuCoin. Okay. $20.21. So this looks good because this exceeded the previous high of the bull market. So that's good. So that's a check. If this would have been lower than the previous bull market, that would have been really, really bad. But this is showing, okay, that's good. Let's see what it is. Oh, let's see what it's about. It's gonna be the same thing probably. See, it's a neobank in the UK. Hundreds of crypto businesses around the world. Services, okay. Banking ecosystem, transaction fees. Okay, so let's go to their website. Let's take a deep dive into the website. And while that's loading up, oh, we already did that. Okay, so nice clean website. See, daily interest payouts, free withdrawals. I like it. Trusted by companies. Okay, that was 4 years ago, but still, that's fine. Entrepreneur India. Okay. One wallet for all your needs. Okay. Okay, best yield on supported fiat and crypto. Okay. 20%. Wow. And it's windy. Good Lord. You got the window open. Nice breeze coming in. See, calculated yields. Okay, buy and sell cryptocurrency. Okay. I mean, I like it. Nothing bad about it. It's just, it's overly done. Like, there's so many of these. Crypto businesses have been underserved by banks. Very true. Same with people. We have changed that. Okay, join our community. Okay. Featured, but, you know, when? Was it back in 2018? That's a question you should ask. See here, the cost token powering the future of banking. The cost token sits at a very center of the cash ecosystem, and a must hold for everybody to experience the best that DeFi has to offer: staking, earning, lending, payments, and wrapped under one single token. Okay. So this was April the 9th. Was it this year? Oh, it's just a picture. Stake, rewards, lend. How do I get out of this picture? Oh, it opened up a new website. Okay. New tab. Okay. So right now we're just doing a deep dive. We're doing a deep dive on this just to see. I don't like the price action, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create a bullish case. If this is nice, then of course, oh wow, that's cool. I like that. Okay, they earned some points. Powering the future of the crypto banking system, blah, blah, 3%. Okay, more words and stuff. Now what I like to do is I like to go to their Twitter page to see how many members they have. They've been around since 2016. They only have 55,000. So that's kind of a flag to me, kind of a red flag. That's a long time. That's almost 10 years, guys. 10 years. That's a long time. Okay, moving on. Let's see, April 9th. Leap forward, serving the, I mean, but they're still doing stuff. They're still working. So that's good. So let's think of the positive. We are proud pioneers in the RWA using the keywords. Nice. Driving to blah, blah. Okay. Then the 10th. Okay. See. %, on fixed deposits. And they've been around for a long time too. So that's another plus, like when you're depositing your money in there. So that's another plus. Okay, so a lot of Indian things. Okay, so boost your referral income by holding more cash. So I like that they're posting. Now, even though they have 55,000, we'll just call it 56,000 followers, they have 10 likes, 3 retweets. But let's not judge that. Let's come down here for one of the other posts. They have 12 likes, 3 retweets. Let's continue coming down. And again, they had almost, what was it, 60 or whatever it was? They have 4 likes, 3 retweets. I think it's the same 4 people and the same 3 people. So let's go over here. 4. These people, they were slacking. The 3 people didn't retweet it. And of course, this can be bought. You know, views can be bought. It's this that counts. This is February. Okay, so they don't have a community. So let's go back to their website. And this is why this is so important. Let's go to their Telegram. Let's go to view. They have almost the same amount. Okay, so that's kind of fishy. No. How much? Come on. Keep it going. Okay, so they have 56. And here it's only 5,000. I thought it was the same amount. Okay, so open Telegram. Okay, so let's kind of look at this. So here it's just a channel. It's not a group. So they can only post in here. So nobody else can post. So all of these subscribers, they could be fake. All of them. 100% of them can be fake. If this was a group, they can still have bots in there, but you would see like interaction, people talking. This is just an announcements channel. So all of these people here could be fake, 100%. Now what you want to do is you want to see the views. So here, almost 200, which is good. Almost 300. Almost 400. How's it go? Are they losing people? What happened? Did you see that? 600, 400, 300, 200. Are they losing people? What's going on? Okay, so this was on the 26th. Please find the frequently asked questions for the BP2 and BP20 swap. Okay. Announcement. Does this announcement cause people to leave? March 31st, after this date, beyond the BNB beacon chain will be burned or discontinued. We're going down the rabbit hole. Cross-chain swap. Okay, on Trust Wallet. So you're going to be changing one for the other, okay? Okay, so this is on the Binance chain. Markets. And also available on these other ones. Okay, so all that research was just done. And let's get rid of this. And let's do this. Oh, what happened to my webpage? There it is. Okay. So now let's go back over here. Now I gotta find. Got too many windows open. Where's it at? So I need that one for sure. This one. I lost where you guys were at. So it's not this one. So 1 second, guys. Bear with me. This? Yep, sure is. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Greatly appreciate it. Appreciate all the likes. Appreciate all the comments. Appreciate just you being here. All right. So with all that being said, with all that research that we just did right now, does it make me more bullish on this coin? No, negative. Sure doesn't. Could we make money on this coin? Yes, of course, definitely. So would I enter this coin right now? Sure, why not? So let's go ahead. Let's go to the daily time frame, just so we have less ups and downs. Let's come over here. We can see that we have a really nice support area. Really nice support area. And it's really nice support area. It's almost too nice. I'm just saying. It's almost too nice. So with that being said, would I enter right now? Sure. I would enter right now. Would I put a lot of money in? No. It's only a $4 million market cap. If I was going to buy in and I was very bullish on this, I would spend maybe $50 to $75 and see if I move it, when I'm pretty sure I will. And then, oh guys, I have a great video for you. I have a great video for you. This explain, and I was just going to talk about the order books. I was just going to talk about the order books. So I did a video, and this video, it explains the order books, and it's under 6 minutes. I talk about the order books. I talk about, you know, your orders getting skipped, your targets getting skipped, orders not getting filled, everything that you would need to know about an order book in a very simplistic, easy to follow way. So definitely check that out. Of course, always smash the like, leave a comment or two, and if you could share it, because who knows who you can help with this video. Like so many people don't understand the order book. I didn't for the longest time. I thought I just put in the order and it went through, and if it didn't go, I had to wait. But now I know how to read the order book. And like I said, under 6 minutes, you get it all right here. So definitely do that. All right, moving on. So here, I would do $50, maybe 75. And if I moved it, then I would just wait a few days before I did it again. Because you don't want to do it and do it and do it and do it, and you're the one pumping everybody's bag. Because you can only buy from what other people are selling. So I would do a stop loss. I would definitely do a stop loss right around 15%. And if it stops you out and it pumps and it goes to 1 million, don't even worry about it, because you had a really high probability that it would keep on going down 50, 80%. So don't worry about it. All right, moving on. Let's go here. Our first, oh my gosh. Let's see okay. So write this down, guys. This is a very big tip. Depending on the market cap, depends on, well, how much you can buy first. Not only that, but how much you can sell. That's very important. With this market cap, let's say I bought $200 worth. Not all at once, but about $200 worth. I want to make sure that I'm able to get out of this coin. So what I have to do is I have to put several targets. Because if I try to sell half of it or maybe all of it in one shot, it's not going to happen. I guarantee that right now. It will not happen. Well, I'm very positive it won't happen, because anything's possible. All right. So what I would do is I would do my first target right here. And then I would do my second target right here. No, let's not get too greedy. Second target right here. I would do my third target. Now notice how many targets I'm putting because of the market cap. Let's do right here. Yeah, we'll do right here. So what you could do, if you're very bullish on this, you could sell 25% here, 25% here, 25% here, and keep the 25% just available. So just to hold it for long term. You know, if you're very bullish on this project. And what I would do is I would enter right now. Again, none of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. And I hope you are entertained. If you're entertained, I would love to see some floating hearts, some floating party favors, and smiley face. If you're entertained. And if you are, great. If you're not entertained, I would like for you to put a number 5 in the chat. A number 5 in the chat if you are not entertained. All right. Good stuff. Good stuff. So I would do a lower entry here. So let's just go ahead and label all this out. So lower entry. And we'll do... well, it just all depends on how much you're going to put in, but you just got to be really careful. So let's go ahead. Did I close it or did I just minus it? So I just minused it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. We're going to get the market cap. Going to put that over here. Very good. And then now we're also going to get the tags, because the tags are very important, just to kind of see what they are. And all I'm doing is I'm doing a shift Windows key, the letter S on a Windows computer. And what that does, it creates a screenshot. And you click and you drag, you highlight the area you want. Then you come over here to your trading view, you right click, and then you do paste, or you can just do Control V. And there you go. All right, so these are my targets. This is my lower entry. And then of course we would do one right here, enter at current price. See, enter at current price. Okay. And of course this would be our target. Put that right here, and then this right here, and then this right here. Make sure this looks nice. And then this one we would do a stop loss right here. And then of course we want to just identify what we're doing. So this, and I like just having these to where they match. Copy, paste. So that is our target, and then we'll do this next one right here. Good Lord. So we'll just do this. Copy, paste. Change this to our target, and we'll do this one. And this. Copy, paste. And one more. We're almost done, guys. Y'all guys are doing great. Guys are doing. Ooh, I got it. Spot on. Okay. So that's what I would do for that. Okay. So that is that. See here. Okay, we have C-Tree says, can you teach us the 5 MA indicator? When is bullish and when is bearish? Yeah, definitely. Definitely. All right, so let's go ahead and just create another one. That way we can be ready for the next one. This one, let's just pick a random coin. Let's do Link, I guess. And so what you want to do is you want to go to your indicators that have 5, and you can just search it. You can do multi, and then you just see what has multi on there. Or you can type in moving average, and then you'll see some that have like 3 moving averages, 5x moving averages, so on and so forth. But the ones that I do have, and I've used them for quite a while now, I just use them. Let's see here. I like this one. This one is CBC 5MADRS, but you can easily find others that may be better than this one. I just happen to use this one because I'm just so used to it. So I clicked it on the screen. We're going to come over here to the drop down menu, and this is the one that we have right here. And we go to the cogwheel or the settings. Here we can see we have the 21, the 50, the 80, and the 100. Now for me personally, oh, but you want 5 of them. Okay, so we're going to have all 5 of them. And this name cannot be changed. So if I have this as the 9 SMA, this name does not change. So I just have to know that this is not a 21, this is the 9, because the value is 9. So with that being said, let's go ahead and do this. So whenever you're looking at price action and you're determining the moving averages, if it's bearish or when it's bullish, one thing you want to do is you want to identify where the price action is compared to the moving averages, and where are the moving averages in relationship to each other. When you have the 9, or whatever which one you use, 9, 21, doesn't matter, but whenever you have the 9, the 50, the 80, the 100, the 200 in sequential order from least to greatest, that's a very strong sign for the momentum of the price action. Now, when the price action breaks below the very first one, that's showing you that the price action may start going down, may start reversing, may start changing its trend. Whatever word you want to use, it just means it's not so good. Now, when it does break below it, does that mean that it's going to keep on going down? No, sure doesn't. You know, it might find support somewhere, and then of course start going up, cross this, which is the moving average, number 9. Once it breaks above it, now price action's doing good. Momentum's continuing upward. But when the price action breaks below the first and second, now it's not good. Now we have a higher chance of it potentially continuing down the more levels of the moving averages it breaks under. Now, in relationship between the moving averages to one another. Same thing. They show strength. They show momentum. So if the 9 is above the 50, but then crosses underneath it, that's showing you what the price action already did. Price action did this. Moving average is slow. It's reacting to the move, and it's crossing now underneath the 50. Now, if the price action continues coming down, well, what's going to end up happening is the moving averages are also going to start curving down, crossing one another. So here we have the 9 crossing, here across the 50, the 80, the 200. If the momentum of the price action continues coming down, it'll eventually cross the 200. Once again, these are averages. These are averages of the candle closes. So these are going to follow whatever the price action is doing. So if the price action continues coming down, this one, the 9 comes down first because it's 9. It's a 9-day moving average. Then this one will come down second. It's slower. It's 50. This one's slower. It's 80. This one's slower. It's 100. This one's really slow. It's 200. So a very good key to understand is when the price action is underneath one of these larger time frames, especially the 50 or especially the 200. When the price action is below it, that's not good. That is not good, because that's showing the momentum is underneath the average of 200 candle closes. Now, once the price action breaks above the 200, now it's starting to look bullish. And then once it crosses above, the other moving averages, it's just strengthening. It's showing you the strength of the move. And that's usually when you see this. So we have these crossing, then eventually they're going to end up, going in sequential order as the price action continues coming up. And then as it continues, these get further apart, and it continues and it continues. And that's the explanation for, let's see here. That's the explanation for the 5 SMAs indicator when they are bullish and when they are bearish. So hopefully you like that. Let's see here. C-Tree says, Joe, when I pull the measure tool on TradingView, it shows different percentages from the price increase to price decrease for the same distance. Yes, I brought that up for the... Now, somebody in here knows. I'm pretty sure, probably if I had to guess, Ian would know. So Ian, if that makes sense to you. So basically what he's saying, and I've actually brought this up multiple times to the staff at TradingView, and they never helped me. And then somebody helped me. I gotta say, it was like Ian. This was like 3 years ago. So what he's saying is, if we go from here to here, it's 30%. So let's go ahead and do this to this. So it's 36.84, okay? But when you get the same movement, the same area from here to here, it's different. Why is that? I saw this long time ago. So let me just make sure that these are in the same place, so there's no cheating. So let's go ahead and make sure that these are in the same place. And let's go to this one. Move this over. Let's go to this one. Go in here. So this is 15. So perfect and perfect. So the question is, these are the exact same spots. Why are they different percentages? Excellent question. I've asked the help people. I want to say at least 5 different people over a period of, I don't know, 8 to 12 months, I guess. And none of them knew. None of them knew. Now, not only that, but why is it that from here to here, it's 127%, but from here to here is, let's say, 70%, and then from here to here is 33%. Where'd the other 20-something% go? It's the same spot. What happened? So I asked them that question too. So if anybody knows the answer to this, please let me know. But I'm pretty sure Ian said that a long time ago. So let's see here. But great question. So that one I don't know. Oh, and y'all can't even see it. Y'all can't even see it. So that's what I was talking about. Let's see here. Great question. I absolutely love that question. Let's see here. Any other questions? If not, that would conclude the show. Any questions, comments, concerns? You want me to do a coin? Right now, this is your time. This is your time to get all this information. And again, we do this every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Usually I have my camera on, but today I'm just running super late, and it's like, no camera today. Just gonna have a nice relaxing day. We did an awesome, we did an amazing screen share early this morning. I want to say like at 1 or 2 in the morning. And for anybody who's watching this on the replay, you know, from Australia, UK, wherever, and you're kind of leery, like, I don't know if, you know, when I'm up, you know, on this side of the world, they're all asleep. No, like everybody here can vouch for me. I'm up all the time. You know, I'm trying to make y'all money, big time. So right around 1:30, I think, we did a live screen share in the VIP for about 2 hours. You know, we were looking for some charts for shorts. We got into some shorts, made some good money. And then in the morning, you know, a few hours later, you know, our trades are still going. And it was really nice gains. And we did another screen share right before the live stream. We did that for about, I think it was like an hour and a half, 2 hours. I don't even remember. And then later on today, I really want to do a live stream for the free members in the free group, but that may have to be postponed for possibly tomorrow. But I really want to do it today though. But we'll see. We shall see. And of course, I give 110% to ensure that you make money. And in return, especially for the free group, I ask just for a few minutes of your day. All right, we have a new favorite. Lenny Kid 777 is asking for VRA. I am very bullish on VRA. I have a lot staked, and I am hoping, praying, wishing on a star, looking on the ground for pennies with a head side up to get good luck, so that this VRA puts me into retirement. You know, I started buying this back in 2021, been staking it ever since, and I really am very bullish on VRA. So let's go look. Let's look at it. Should I have bought more? Yes, of course. I did the whole shoulda, woulda, coulda, woulda. Yeah, I said woulda twice. The shoulda, coulda, woulda syndrome. I should have bought more. I could have bought more. But I just didn't. You know, I didn't have money. I didn't have money for it. Nothing wrong with that. But what is wrong is having all of these crazy moving averages. Get out of here. 80. Get out of here. 100. Nobody likes you. Get out. So these are the ones I like. All right, VRA. Man. Ooh, nice. That is so nice. Wow, I haven't looked at VRA in forever. Nice run up. Beautiful pullback. Bouncing right off of the 200. Man. That looks like... Wow. Are you kidding me right now? Are you freaking kidding me right now? Do you know how great of an opportunity this is? Man, and I just bought, don't laugh at me, but I just bought TRON. Not because I'm FOMOing into TRON, but I do want to start doing some of the TRON tokens. You know, see if I can, you know, 5x, 10x, $3 or $6, whatever I put into the meme coins or whatever. So I'm going to have I'm actually recording a video. I tried transferring some TRON over, but there was congestion on the network or something for maintenance, I think it said. So I had to wait. I actually was recording a video on how to get one of the Keeper wallets and the TRON Keeper. But I'll be working on that after this. But with that being said, right now, in my opinion, is an absolute golden opportunity to get this token. Absolutely golden. Wow. Man, can you imagine? Let's just go into fantasy world right now. Okay, let's just go. We bought some. Let's say we bought, I don't know, $1,000 worth. You know, we didn't buy it all at once. We bought 200 today. We bought, you know, 300 next paycheck and whatever. $1,000 total, right? How much would that $1,000 be if price came up to previous high in 2021? How much would that $1,000 be? Let's do a math quiz. It doesn't have to be like exact, but if it gave us 1,100%, we put $1,000. How much would that $1,000 be? Put that in chat. And that's only 1,000. You know, imagine if you had 2,000, 3,000. You know, you're buying as it's doing this number. Can we enter the trade? That's a great question. Well, let's look. Weekly time frame. It broke underneath it. And the reason I'm doing a weekly is because of the length of time I'm looking out for it as far as long-term trade. Try and get those words out. Let's go to this. Right now I'm going on coinmarketcap.com and checking out VRA. And of course this messed up. So let's try this again. Good Lord, VRA. Did I tell you I was tired? I haven't really slept. All right, 71.8 million. Man, that's gorgeous. Good Lord, 71.8 million. Down 91% from all-time high. That's so good. Let's go to this. So this was in 2021. And I remember holding it here. Man, November. I'll never forget November. Like, there's some dates that you will never forget. Well, I will never forget November. Most of mine dropped November 17, November 21 of 2021. So in basically that week, all of my coins dropped. And this was one of my coins. And this, yep, 11,000. You got it. From 1,000 to 11,000. That's pretty nice, in my opinion. Imagine if you had 10,000. 10,000, it's $100,000. If you had 20 million in there, okay, I'm getting ridiculous. But in 2021, I remember having it at this price, and I remember telling people, because I had bought it really, really low, about this price. I bought it about this price. Yeah, this is where I bought it, guys. So this is probably gonna annoy me, but this had. Let me just show you the chart. Let's go down memory lane. Are you okay with that? Let's go down memory lane. So where's, yeah, March. Yep. Perfect. So let's bring up our indicators so I can show you what my friend was saying. So it had done this run up, huge run up. Okay. It had done this huge run up, and it started coming down on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, here it was at this part. March. Nope. Where's March? Where am I at? Okay, yep. Is this gonna take too long? March 2021. Where's the screen? Where's everything at? Oh, it didn't show it. Man, that's dumb. Anyway, so just this, for example, it had done a really nice run up of 100-something%. And then it started retracing and it started bouncing. A really nice area. I told my friend about it. He's like, no, Joe, it's overbought on the weekly, it's overbought on the daily, and it's overbought on the 4-hour. I said, but dude, it pulled back and it's bouncing. Like it's gonna go up. He goes, no, Joe, it's overbought on all those time frames. I'm not buying it. I said, all right, cool. So I bought it, and no joke, within like 3 days, it did 100-something%. And I was like, what? So are you kidding me right now? I said, dude, buy some, dude. It retraced again, and it started bouncing. Nope, not gonna buy it, Joe, because it's overbought on weekly, daily, and 4-hour. I said, all right. So I bought it, and it pumped again, another 100 and something percent. I mean, you can verify all this stuff. It's just ridiculous gains. And I'm telling him, I was like, dude, I'm making so much freaking money. It's crazy. And then it pulled back some more. And now it's way up here. I told him here, and I told him over here. And because now it pulled back to this, now the indicators are saying that it cooled off and it's no longer overbought. That is when my eyes opened. Like, I really didn't trust like the overbought and oversold, but when I saw how much money my friend missed out on, I don't rely on this worth anything. This just tells you the strength of the move. I mean, that's what it is. It's a relative strength index. When it's above the 50, it's good. Below the 50, not so good. You know, could it stay above the 80 for a long, or 70 for a long time, be overbought? Yeah, sure could. But as soon as it starts doing a retrace, this comes down. And then this will kind of go up. And then if it comes down again, it comes down some more until it's cooled off. But man, I gained so much friggin' money. And then I remember. Let's put this on the daily. Oh, it is here. What am I doing then? So July, it was in March. And I remember buying some more, I believe, in July. So this is the pullback right here. This is the pullback I was talking about. So it did this run up, huge run up, guys, huge, absolutely huge. So let's just go from here to here. Look at that. That's crazy gains. That's crazy. And then it pulled back, and I saw it right here. I said, man, like, it looks really good, but it was overbought. It was overbought. You know, the RSI, look, RSI, it's overbought. He goes, no, I'm gonna let it cool off. I was like, dude. And then so I bought it, and then it pumped. And then did I buy it right here? I mean, did I add here? No. I added here, and I did it again, I think in July. So it pumped even more. So I bought it, it pumped, it came down. I bought it some more here. I bought more here. It came up, and then it came down, and then it came down some more. I was like, ah, crap. And then here I woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda bought, but I didn't. I bought back in July when it came back down again. Where's July? Was it August? I guess it must have been August. So when it did its pump, and then I wasn't even looking at it, and it did its pump, and then I saw it down here, and I bought it again, and then sure enough, did that. And then when it did this, because I'm telling everybody, when I bought it here, when I bought it here, I was telling everybody, it's like, man, I'm gonna retire, guys. I'm gonna retire when it hits 8 cents. I'm retiring. And it was only 3 cents at the time, you know, at the highest part that I probably got it. I said, man, I'm gonna retire at 8 cents. And then what happened? Greed. Here it is, 8 cents. Right here, going up, 8 cents. Keeps on going, 8 cents. Keeps on going, 8 cents. Keeps on going. And now I'm thinking, you know what? 15 cents. 15 cents, I'm gonna sell it. I might sell a little bit at 12, but definitely at 15, I'm out. Man, I can't believe how much money I have. I'm showing my brother the wallet app thing on my phone. I mean, I am just so freaking happy. And then what happens? Everybody starts telling me, who I was telling them, Joe, dude, crypto, man. Like, dude, you were telling me about crypto all this time, and I finally, you know, put a little bit in it. I didn't want to tell you, but I found, dude, my portfolio is huge, man. I said, good, dude. I'm happy for you. I'm so happy for you. And then another person, Joe, my buddy in crypto, this and that, blah, blah. You were right. I said, dude, I've been telling you for like, what, over a year? And like, Joe, and I had 5 people within 3 days that would never talk to me about crypto. They were talking to me about crypto. And, you know, I'm high-fiving them. I'm, you know, crypto's everything, and just everything. What happens? About a week later, starts to pull back. It's okay. You know, we had pullbacks before. No problem. Pullback. Starts coming up. Oh, you see, guys, I told you. We have a pullback. It's going to come up. And we're going to make some more gains. I mean, extended bull market. Everybody's talking about an extended bull market. And then, sure enough, comes down some more. And then it comes back up. Oh, you see, this is our bounce. This is the bounce that we needed. We're going to do good. We're going to, you know, it happened here. It happened here. It happened here. It happened here. Like, it's going to do it again. Like, the history, it repeats. Come on, guys. And then holding it, holding it, holding it. Extended bull market, guys. Don't worry about it. You know, it's going to even out. We're in an extended bull market till like maybe March, maybe even April. Don't worry about it. Keeps on holding, holding. I thought about selling here. I really did. I was staking it. I was like, man, this is a huge loss from my potential gains. I think I was still in profit. You know, I had to be in profit from all the places I bought. I was still in profit, but it was huge loss compared to what I had. I said, no, I'm going to wait because I know it's going to go up. All these YouTubers, all these influencers, they're saying extended bull market. You know, all this money that's now in the crypto space, all these new eyes on the market, you know, all this new money, it's going to go up. I know it. It has to. Comes down. Comes up. Comes down. Comes up. All right, guys, this is it. Told you. I knew it. I knew it. You know, it's February. You know, here we go. Here we go. It's going to go. We're probably till April. And come down. Come down. And I held it all this time. I was staking it. So I was earning some tokens, but those tokens were worth nothing. And then now, huge run up. Good for you, VRA. I haven't looked at VRA in forever. Look at that, over 140%. So that's good. That's really good. Now it came down. Would I buy right now? No. Why? It's under resistance. Here's our resistance. And that's our weekly resistance. We can actually adjust this to a daily resistance by simply getting this and putting this to the candle body close of the daily time frame. So again, on the higher time frames, the wicks are candle body closes on a lower time frame. If that didn't make sense, rewind this about 8 times, make sure to take notes, etc., etc. All right, so I would put an alert right here. Man. See, I want to buy me some more VRA, but I wanted to concentrate on low market. I don't know what was the market cap? I forgot. Did we look it up? YouTube. It would be so great, man. It would be so great if it pulled back even more. See, and this is like when you have this mindset of you want it to go down, that's the investor mindset. Because the reason you want it to go down is so that you can buy more of it. You know what got me really upset? All the money that I spent in 2021, buying all those tokens, my buddy bought the same amount for what was it, like less than a third? And he got more tokens than I did. Less than a third. I mean, no, way less than that. I don't even know. He put a fraction of what I put, and he has more tokens than me. Am I jealous? A little bit. But all that was a learning lesson. That tells me what I have to do next bear market. This is my first bear market. And so now everything that happens, it has to be a learning lesson. You have to learn from it. And hopefully following me, learning from my mistakes. And I'll tell you all my mistakes. Like I have no, pride or nothing like that. It's like, man, no, I'll tell you, man, this thing is like really booming. It's blaring out the speakers. I see it, always see it in the red. So right now I just reduced it. But yeah, when it comes to sharing my mistakes, I share them with you all day, So here we go. Looking at this, it's our daily time frame. I would love for it to come down, man. And then what I would do, since I have, you know, it's staked already, I would just get this and trade it for me personally, since I already have some that I have staking. Now, if you're trying to enter this trade, a really nice area of entry, I would say would be from here to here. This would be a nice support bounce zone area. Entry zone, support bounce. Let's just put it right here. Nope, still messy. Okay, so I'll do this and just change the font size. Yeah, we can do that size. Okay, this is the front. All right, so this right here is a really nice support zone that I would love for it to enter. Do I think it will? No, not unless Bitcoin does its pullback that we're all waiting for. If it does, it might even break the support, because normally when Bitcoin pulls back, you know, whether it's going to be 15, 20%, when it does happen, we are 8 days away, guys. 8 days away. I'm going to probably do a live stream and lose a lot of members, because they're going to be like, Joe, you're a fool. You act kooky when you have some beverages. But, and I'm sure everybody's going to be doing live streams on that. That's going to be pretty awesome. I've never experienced a Bitcoin halving. And I'm excited. Man, I wish I had my camera on so you can see me crying. No, I'm playing. I'm not crying. But, yeah, it's going to be great. It's going to be so great. So, with this one, I hope it comes down here. If not, I would set an alert above these wicks. I will set an alert right around here for that. Oh, not that. I went alert. So that was my thought process on that. I do thank you for bringing me down memory lane, Lenny Kid. Just remember, you are now my favorite. You are now my favorite. C-Tree says, on CoinMarketCap, VRA shows this all-time high November 1st, 2021, 2 years ago. 91. Dude, thank you, man. Thank you for that. Do you know how much that helps me? That helps me out tremendously. I'm going to start looking in the chat for that type of stuff, because that will save time for the stream, and it'll make the stream go smoother. So C-Tree, appreciate you, man, greatly. Let's see here. C-Tree says, that would be easy to take money from the exchange, cashing out that massive amount. Ooh, man, I can't wait. Ooh, I can't wait. That's my retirement, baby. That's my retirement. Crypto 420 says, to me personally, the gains are in new coins. Yes, very true. Going into their first bull run. Extremely true. High risk, high reward. Perfect. Yes. And the reason for that is, and I'll just elaborate on that. That was perfect. I'll elaborate on that. They don't have all the partnerships with Amazon, with Google, with, you know, I always forget the dumb GPU place. You know what I'm talking about. NVIDIA. You know, they don't have those partnerships yet. They don't have partnerships with exchanges. They haven't been listed on certain exchanges. So that's where I'm at, Crypto 420. That's where I'm at. I see these large market cap coins, the ones that have been around for a while or whatever. But what I want to do is I want to get in low market cap coins under, I would prefer under 100 million. If I could find one or two that is like 1 million, 2 million, you know, I'll put $1,000 in there, but in increments, you know, $50, maybe this paycheck, maybe next paycheck, maybe 100, maybe not go out one night and maybe put like 500 that I would have spent. No, I'm playing, I wish. But, you know, put like maybe $50, you know, don't go out one night or don't go out to eat, you know, $20, $25. Granted, it's just me, you know, if I had a family, it'd be like $200. You can serve your family bologna. They're like, hey guys, this is what I grew up on. It's bologna here. And that's it. And I got some, ooh man, I got some memories. My aunt, we would go to her house, story time. My aunt, we would go to her house. She was the cool one. She was the so cool one. And she would make us fried bologna sandwiches. like the best lettuce I've ever had, the biggest slices of tomatoes. So I mean, it's just so juicy. And then fried bologna and with mayonnaise and oh man, that was so great, so great. But yeah, just remember, I just had that memory, and I don't remember stuff, guys. So that's a nice thing for me. Ian says, hello, I'm late to the live stream because Joe, you're not important. I'm catching up on the replay. I'll catch up on the replay. Awesome. Appreciate you. I love you, Ian. Ian's the best. Ian is the best. Like everybody here's the best. I would love to do roll call. Everybody who's here, put a number 1. If you're not here, put a number 2. If you're watching this on the replay, do a #1 if you're here watching this. If you're not here watching this on the replay, do a #2. I would really like to know who is here today. If you're watching this on Twitter, on the Twitter space, I would like for a comment of a 1 if you're here. If you're not here, you can put a 2 as well. So just kind of give you all heads up. So right now we're going back to the live stream and we're seeing who's here. Let's see here. Let's see. What's this say? That's too small for me. Put on my reading glasses. Reading glasses says, I agree with you. I've been charting the market caps of a lot of coins and the math didn't add up. Yep. The additional coins supply. Yep. Perfect. Yep. Yeah. So, and that's, so when I was doing the all that work for the bull run setups, like, yes, could they do 3 to 5x? Yes, definitely. But for me personally, I would love a 20x. I would love a 20x. I would, so for VRA, I'm, like I said, I'm just holding it. Like it's going to do hopefully a 10x, hopefully, you know, but these other coins, 20x, 50x, 100x. Can you imagine? You put $1,000 in that at 100x, that's more than $1,020. I'm horrible at math, but you know what I mean. No, I know the math on that, but still, you know. And you don't put the whole 1,000 on at once because more than likely the market cap is like 2 million or 4 million. You're going to move it, and it depends on the exchange as well. See, Ian says, "Whoa, why are you yelling?" Ian says, let's see, will make it hard for a lot of coins to hit new all-time highs, in my opinion. Yes, and that's true too. And that's actually what I thought about too when I was doing that bull market strategy thing, because all these new coins, they're going to come out. They don't have partnerships yet. They're going to start getting partnerships. They're going to start making all this money. All the hype is going to be going to them. And yes, the other coins, they're going to be referred to as dinosaur coins, just like what we refer the dinosaur coins now. These coins that we had last bull market, those will now be classified as dinosaur coins. You know, they're nice, they're reliable, they're sturdy. You know, they have great infrastructure. They had a great ecosystem. Everything's great about them, you know, especially layer 1s. Everything's great. But these new ones that all the money's going to FOMO into, all the hype's going to be about, all the engagement, all the posts, all the retweets, all the everything, that's where the money's going to be at. And can you do a 5x really, really quick versus one of the dinosaur coins that we had? Yep, sure could. For example, VRA, we're looking for a 10x. Be happy with 10x. But I already have my money in there, so I'm just leaving it. But like for these other coins, that's what I'm gonna start doing. And I've been doing it, and I'm down. I'll tell you guys right now, I'm down. There's a lot of coins I'm down on. One of my favorite ones right now is AI Tech. That one I'm really bullish on. And I'm down, I think, like 30%. And that's because I'll add to it like every 2, maybe 3 weeks. Which reminds me, I got to add to it. And just imagine, you know, if that coin, let's go and let's just look at this. So right now we're just kind of kicking back. We're just, it's a fun day. You know, I was supposed to like continue with all my other stuff, but I like talking to you guys. You know, you guys are great. And especially in the VIP, you guys are amazing. AI Tech. There's so many people that are bullish on this one. It's ridiculous. It's 108 million market cap. That's it. That's it. You know, we have a whole bunch of man, 20x, maybe 10x for sure, but 20x maybe, you know. And then what you do is you go to their website, you go to their white paper, you do all this stuff, you know, that's pretty cool. The wave of the future. You go to more stuff. GPU rendering, like that stuff's going to be there too. It just, that's where the money's at. Like for me, I love LPT, Live Peer Token. And that's one thing that I loved about LPT was it doing with the GPUs, LPT, where it was networking the resources from everybody. It's like how right now, how I'm getting paid for my unused internet. And, oh, that's a great segue, Joe. Let me go ahead and put that in the thing. So right now I'm getting paid for my unused internet. I just posted it in the thing, in the chat, plus it's in the description. Same thing with these GPUs. Live Peer Token, when I saw that, I did my deep dive back in 2021. I was like, man, this is so cool. Like they're using resources. It's like that one, when you're doing peer-to-peer, Napster. Remember that for all you old guys? Remember Napster? How it was using people, part of the more peers that you had, the faster it went, allegedly. You know, I don't know. I read that somewhere. So allegedly that's what happened. Same thing. They're using that type of technology for GPUs that help with AI and everything else. So when I saw that for Live Peer Token, I was like, dude, I'm in. And I bought it and then I staked it, you know. So it's, you know, it just how Live Peer works, this and that, blah, blah. So video apps, API, things and stuff, probably more important words. And, you know, so it's all there. It's all there. Okay, moving on. Let's see here. Going down the list. Okay, JP says, I've been looking at Ease and Avelar. All right, so let's look at those really quick. So that's going to be it for the request. It's going to be it for the request. There's one, ENSA or something like that, ENA. I've been seeing that one in the crypto streets. 17.8 million. You got my attention. You got my attention, Dave P. You have my attention. What is this? And we're going out of order. EC is for everyone. Well, what are you? It will help you sell your own assets. So are you a buyer or seller? Let's start the tour. Explore, buy tickets, buy one or more tickets to get a chance to secure an asset. So it's like a bidding war or something. Just a fraction of the cost. So this is the same concept. What was that one where they would have it late at night and you would, was it that or was it on the internet? I don't even remember. Where you would bid on it. It was like eBay, but it was just bidding. And, you know, they say that you can buy like a computer for 1 cent or some baloney. But every time the timer would go down to the last second, somebody miraculously put a bid in. And, you know, that kept on happening until it was like almost the price of the actual computer. But I think that's what this is. Buy one or more tickets to get a chance to secure an asset for just a fraction of the cost. That's exactly what that is. I think, man, I haven't remembered that in forever too. You can participate in the drop and get a $10,000 asset for only $10. Okay, so like a lottery. I like it. I'll throw $10 at it. While you wait, utilize this time to explore new lots, engage in conversation, and earn. So they had to sell a certain amount of tickets, and then it's a drawing. Okay, well that I like. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at this. Congratulations, your winning assets equal the fully random number of tickets. It's like a lottery. Okay, first I thought it was like a bidding war, but it's like a lottery. Okay. TRON, yes, but after you, no more. So if anybody else asks after that one, politely tell them that the requests are closed. But yeah, I'll help you out. But I do like this. I like this concept. But it depends on how much it is, though. So Dave P says, EC, Web3, Marketplace, Real World Assets, and more. So you connect your wallet first in order to buy, sell, blah, blah, connect things and stuff. Okay, next. Nice interface. If this is the actual interface, it looks pretty smooth. I thought it was like a screenshot, but it's interactive. Okay. Where's the number 2? It was only step 1. I don't see number 2. Is this number 2? So you can chat. So this is pretty cool. Hello, I would like to be scammed. Who wants my passphrase? Password is PASS. So that's pretty cool. So I can hide that. I don't know where it went though. I thought I was just hiding it. Chat. I like the interface. It's a smooth interface. So this is beta, homepage. So what's this? What are they bidding on? They're bidding on this thing. Total price, $15,000. Ticket sold. And one ticket is $20. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Let's just say, again, this is all degen, big time degen, gambling, big time. Because like literally you are throwing away your money. You are throwing away your money unless you win. But look at what you could win. $15,000. Let's say you threw $100 at it. You know, I'm not gonna go out tonight. Let me try this. I get 5 tickets. 5 tickets. And who knows? I might win. Chances are I won't, but I might. How cool would that be if I were to win? I like this. Very dangerous though. What happened? How did I get that? Okay, so let's go to explore again. Oh, there's a drop down. NFTs, tokens. You can bid on tokens. Get out of here. Real world assets. I want to buy a house. You gotta be joking. You gotta be joking. So that's coming soon, I guess. You gotta be joking. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that, guys? You buy a $1.3 million house. Each ticket is $500. And they're selling like 1,000 of them or whatever it is to make up that price, whatever it is. And let's just say, you say, you know what? I feel good today. I'm gonna buy a ticket for $500. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe I'll win. I know I'm not. And then for you to actually win it? Dude. Why didn't they think of this earlier? Or have they? Am I late to the party? Collections. I don't know what this is. Explore. Oh, so NFTs. I like this. Sold out in less than 1 minute. Oh, this was today? Oh, airdrop. What's that, Telegram? So vesting 25%, 25 monthly for 3 months. I think I found my project that I want to do. I like this a lot. Can you imagine that, buying a car? Here's a ticket for $200, and you can have a brand new car, an Escalade, whatever, and you throw $200 at it, knowing that you're not gonna win, knowing that, don't ever hope you're gonna win that, knowing you're not gonna win, and you win it. Man, that'd be so crazy. So right now for NFTs, would I do it? Not really. What the heck is that? Is there I think these are dumb, but make you be rich. see, is there any what's that one house, no, book of meow? I'll buy a book of meow. I never did buy it. I forgot. Oh no, I needed soul. That's what it was. Put some book of meows in here. I'll buy them. Well, these are dumb. Will they make you money? Yeah. Why? Because these people are dumb. They see something that I don't. I mean, they're cool. Some of them are cool. I mean, like, this is kind of cool. Like, I'd buy that. So, total price was $350. Well, these are already sold, though. So, filters. So, I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. So, all. Oh, so do you have to pay for gas fees? I thought you would pay in this token. What's the token then for? I know I'm lost. Yeah, no, you're supposed to use a token. So that has a day to go. Full price 8,000. Okay, I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. You guys have been great. Man, I don't believe that. I said that we were gonna, more than likely be finishing up within a few minutes, and that was an hour ago. That's just crazy. I don't see anything that I would like. $500. So those are sold already. Okay, that's dumb. All right, so this is $13,000. I mean, it's cool. It's really cool. And so one ticket is $1. Okay. Shoot, man. Spend $20. That's pretty cool. I like this. I mean, I really do. Okay, moving on. Oh yeah, I forgot. We got to actually do the chart. Let's see here. So this coin was just done, right? This coin was just released. I think we saw that somewhere. Okay, I like it. I like it a lot. So it's Ethereum. So let's go to markets. It's on a few markets already. Okay. So it's ESE. Okay, so ESE. Let's go like this. Sorry, that kind of took a long time. ESE, USDT. And let's go to KuCoin. Okay, it just came out. Would I buy it right now? No. Why? Because it's still coming out. Still the first day of launch, release, whatever you want to call it. They usually have a nice pump and then a nice dump. I would revisit this in about a week to see if I would enter this trade. So right now, it's not been worth looking at. Not even worth looking at. I mean, could you buy right now? Some, yeah, sure you could. Could it continue coming down by a whole bunch? Yep, sure could. Could it go up 30, 50, 80%? Yep, sure could. Right now, we don't have enough data. So it's an extremely high risk. I do like it though. It's 14 cents. Man, for me, I've been really risky the past couple of days just because my lack of sleep. But would I enter this coin? Man, that's really, really difficult. Because I can tell you no all day, but would I do it? Oh, and I've had this thing on the whole time. My restream is messing up, so I normally have the chats in both areas, but right now I just have it on one. So if you're typing, I can't see it right now until I look at it. Come up, come down, come up. So the only way that I would buy right now, and it's not too far away, is if it crosses this level. That's the only way I would buy right now. And so we're missing out on potential 27%. That's a lot. It's a lot. But by the same token, it could do this. and then do this, and then do this. I saw that on another release coin that was just released a few days ago. So, I mean, if you wanted to, you could maybe do $50 and hope that it goes up. But if it comes down here, well then, you know, let's say you were planning to do $250. Well, now you can put the 200 down here, you know. But I would definitely hold off on that one. Let's see what the other one was. Velar. That one sounds very familiar. Velar. So let's come over here. Let's go to Velar. So let me just duplicate this. And this one won't be as long as the other one. Velar. Okay, this one is 14. I'm liking your style, Dave P. I'm liking your style. 14.2 million. This one is down from all-time high 8 days ago, so brand new coin as well. This one is it's a DEX, DeFi. Okay, a launch pad. Dude, I said I wasn't gonna do this. Oh yeah, no, different. Man, I like it. I love the see, DeFi is coming to Bitcoin. There's gonna be so many of these though. If they're not already, there's already a lot of them. There's a lot of them already. But who knows? I mean, this one could be one of the ones that does really, really well. Launchpad. This is the key right here. This is the key. I don't care about Bitcoin. I don't care about nothing. You know, when it comes to launch pads and it being at this price at 14 million, and this is a launch pad, I'm in. I am in. Like this other one I liked. I like this one a lot. This one was really cool. This one, because of the launch pad, I'm in. Okay, so let's go ahead and chart this one. Oh, where's it at? Ew, Uniswap. Let's see, where else are they at? Are they on Binance or anything? They're on Stacks. So I don't know how the fees go on that. Trust Wallet. Okay, so Velar. Let's look at some Velar. Okay. And let's duplicate the tab. And let's go to Velar. USDT. Okay, so we can do Gate.io. We'll do Bybit. BitGet. We'll do Bybit. Okay. So same thing here. We have our resistance right here. We would set our alerts. We can set our alert right here. You know, just underneath this one. I mean, but technically it's supposed to be above it. So we'll just do it right there. And let's go to a lower time frame so we can see all the ups and downs. And this is what happens. You know, when a coin's released, it comes up first day. And then, of course, it has all this. So this would be, let's just go and put this on the 4-hour time frame since we're here. So that would be that. This would be another level. Then this would be another level. So potentially, if it does continue down, which we have a very high likelihood that it will, if it continues down, then more than likely it'll do this, and it needs to find support. And then, of course, you could add some here, and then add a little bit here, and then definitely when it does that. So once you have a few 4-hour candles, say 2 or 3, that find support here and don't break underneath this level, then you can enter. But just a little bit though, because it can do this number. So that's why you just put a portion of it. Then when it breaks this level, you add your second. And now it's saying that, okay, hopefully if it does come down, hopefully you'll find this as support because it found its support pretty nicely. before it potentially goes up. Then once it breaks this last level, now you go hard. You go really hard, because now it's built that momentum. You were slowly entering the trade. Now it's built that momentum, People are hearing about it, and boom, strap in. So I like it, but I just be careful. And the circles represent the entries, and of course this will be the safest entry once it breaks above this. So hope you all like that. And see, King of Insomnia says, I'm sorry, Knight of Insomnia says, Friday Bologna is awesome. Yeah, Bologna's awesome. Let's see, gotta be, I'm not sure. I just knew it was the cheapest one. I didn't even want to know how much sodium. Yeah, no kidding. Same thing with Spam. Man, I haven't had Spam in like 20 years. And one day I saw it at the grocery store. I was like, you know what? Let me try this. I haven't had this forever. Oh my gosh, it was so good. But I knew it was so bad for me. So I was like, let's see here. Ian says most of the altcoins will hit a market cap all-time high long before they get back to 2021 all-time high for the price action. Yep. See, JT's with me. Love VRA. Okay. All right. Okay, so really quick, I need to see if two people are here. So C-Tree says Villas is powerful. Yes, I do like it tremendously. So we do need to know if two people are here. See, you did Velar in the VIP. Ah, that's why it's familiar. Man, I'm telling you. I don't know, my up for my down. See here, Ellipse Gaming. Uh-oh, y'all are falling short. See, Ellipse Gaming says, yo, I'm at work right now. Please look at Axie Infinity. It's ready to boom. Nobody told Ellipse Gaming that we couldn't do any more callouts. But he's at work, so we'll give him a shout out. All right, so it's up to everybody right now. If anybody asks for a coin, politely tell them that the the requests have been closed. So very important. That's everybody. I see Lenny Kid says, happy to have joined the VIP today. Awesome. Very, very happy for you, man. Yeah, so a lot of people are joining the VIP because the prices will go up, and that's not a gimmick. Oh, we're going to increase the prices, so do it now. And then like a week later, oh, we're saving you 40%, so join now. No, prices will only go up. The stuff that I do, the amount of time that I put in, the value that I do, from what I've been told, is unlike anything anybody has ever experienced in any group. And you'll see it. You'll see it when you come in. And that's what we do. And we do live streams, we do screen shares, we do video thought process on all the trades that we're doing. We keep you up to date on the trades. We're moving up the stop losses. We don't post 10 to 20 charts a day. So it makes it really, really easy to update these charts and have more of a one-on-one type feeling when it comes to just, you know, a mentor, period. And if y'all want that, get it now while you get the discount. You know, the current price is the discount, because I haven't made the announcement yet, but May 15th, price is going up 50% for the VIP and also for the VIP lifetime. Price is going up 50%. If you're curious about the price, because I know that's the next question, send me a DM. Send me a DM. Now you might want to say, well, why don't you want to say it now? Why don't you want to say it here? Well, for the simple reason that when people play this, you know, 6 months down the road, a year down the road, they hear how cheap it was, they're going to want that price. And I can't do that. Nope. Right now is the discounted price. So whoever asked for because there was 2 other people, I think, that asked for a coin. I just need to make sure they're here. So that's very important. So let's go to, let's see, right now I've lost them. Who wanted a coin? see, you need to do more research. Can you share more? Dave. See, Velar. Okay, so we're going to look at this one. We're going to go from last first. We're going to go from last first. So we're going to go to Axie Infinity, and this is going to be a super fast deep dive. Super fast deep dive. Okay, so let's go to a duplicate tab. Super fast deep dive. You know what I'm saying. USDT. And this one's going to be Mexi. Is Mexi in the house? Mexi. Okay. Super fast deep dive. Would I buy this coin right now? Possible. Very possible. We got to be very careful with this one though, because if it breaks down below this level that we're going to put, you might as well short it because it's pretty dangerous. So if it breaks below this level, short. Right now it's very dangerous to enter this trade. If you did enter this trade, you would have to wait for the break of this level. You can have an alert right there. Right now it's in the danger zone. If it breaks below this, like you don't, this is a low volume node. Like I don't need these indicators to look smart. Like I need way more than that to look smart. But if you come down here and you go to visible range, visible profile, and you know, do what all the other people do, you'll see that, oh, look, visible range profile says this is a low volume node. And here you can see that there's no support resistance. It just went up. So if it breaks below this level, you're looking for a world of hurt, because it would need to find support here, and it could continue losing it because everybody might say, oh, it's going to zero. So that's my thought process on that. Hopefully you enjoyed that thought process. And that's what I do. I make trading very easy, guys. Very, very easy. Support, resistance, that's it. C-Tree says Indian ENJ. Oh wait, I can't do it on this one. I have to do it on this other one, because I have to post all these. I have to do more engagement. I have to post them in different areas. It just takes so much time, and as it is, I need at least 13 more hours in the day. My days normally run about 18 to 20 hours at the moment. So that's all I need. That's all I need. Let's go to Mexi. Mexi. Okay. So for this one, let's go to a higher time frame. Let's see. Nice. Ooh, that looks so nice. Right now we're right above this zone. Let's just draw the zone. Well, let's draw this first. We're right above this zone, and this looks really, really nice. It needs to maintain this support. This is our zone that we're referring to. It needs to maintain this. If it does, we're looking in good shape. If it breaks it, short city. Short city. So this is what I'm looking at. So what you could do is you could take this off first. This is your level it needs to break. So what you could do is set an alert right here. And this is what I do. So if you're curious on what I do for the VIP, this is what I do. I set alerts. The alert goes off. I check it. Doesn't look ready. I put another alert. The alert goes off. I check it. Sometimes it looks ready-ish. Sometimes it still doesn't look ready. I put an alert. Alert goes off. And all this is happening in a few days, few weeks, whatever. Alert goes off. I check it. Oh, okay, now it's looking good. Now I see it. But I need at least 2 or 3 more candles minimum to see if it's gaining support, if it maintains the support. Usually it's on the 4-hour time frame. So what I do is I go on my phone and I set an alarm on my phone. I set an alarm on my phone for about 12 hours, give or take. And once it goes off, it tells me what name for the coin chart. And then I go and I look at the chart. And now I look at it and I say, wow, nice. It's gaining support. It's got a lot of nice candles. I'm looking at the candle bodies, looking at the size of the candles, looking at the wicks. It looks good. Then I post it. What happens after that? Normally, the coin's ready to move. You know, sometimes a few minutes after I post, usually it's a few hours after I post. Very rare occasions, a few days. Do we get stopped out? Yes. Do we lose trades? Yes. I never want to come off as like, oh, like we have this golden system and join this. No. I let you know the real stuff when it comes to trading. Like I give you my experience when it comes to trading. But that's what I do. And I would strongly recommend everybody do that. Granted, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time. So that's the benefit of being in the VIP. Like I do all this work for you. So when I do post, and I don't post 10, 20 charts a day, I post 1, maybe 3. Shoot, man, I don't even know how many charts I posted this week. Maybe 3. I know I've updated like 2 of them, 3 of them that were still in. But whenever we post results, there is a very, very, very high chance you're in those trades because, well, for the week, we probably just posted 5, maybe 7, maybe 12. I don't even know. But it wasn't 70. It wasn't 140. That much I do know. So we offer a bunch of stuff in the VIP, guys. Bunch of stuff. So if you're thinking about it, right now is the discount price. I don't jack up the price to reduce it to trick you. So I'll give you a heads up. That's what they all do. It's a sales tactic. All right, moving on. That's what I would do there. If it breaks below this, you're looking for this again. You really are. If it breaks down, if it does this number, you're looking at this. But if it breaks up, now you're looking at this. So it's just a waiting game. That's all that is. All right, so we did that one. We did that. Let's see, S-Ton. Oh, S-Ton, are you still here? Normally when people ask for coins and it's not done within like 2 minutes, they leave. So S-Tron, are you still here? Very important. See here, C-Tree says, I did a while back. Don't know what you, come on, C-Tree. C-Tree, I did a while back. What did you do? I requested such and such a while back. You just now got to it. Oh, okay. I know the who, what, where, when, why. This right here, I did a while back. I'm doing a bunch of other stuff. I'm not looking at this like all the time, you know? And Dave P says, join the VIP, guys. It's worth it. It is. I'm telling you. Math on Coinbase. All of you are fired. Every single one of you fired. Every single one. Hey, Max. What's up, buddy? We aren't doing any more requests, but I'm going to try to do this one for you. But everybody in here is fired. And you're taking a pay cut. And no holiday vacation. Because that was the second time I asked, and the second time I asked in a more detailed plea of let people know that we are doing no more requests. Because we're an hour over our time. So all of y'all are demoted, and all of y'all gotta make me coffee. Okay, moving on. C-Tree says resistance for, oh my gosh, C-Tree, I'm not reading your stuff anymore. I'm sorry, brother. Complete thought process. Let's say I bump into you right now and you look at me and you say, resistance for E and J 0.6. Okay. So now I have to look at the chart. Where do you see that at? Are you looking at the daily? Hey, Joe. On ESJ, I'm showing resistance at 0.6300 on the daily time frame. Can you confirm it? Yeah, sure, man. I got you. There's one level. There's one level. Here's another level. And then this level. Moving on. Let's see. We're going to do math on Coinbase. So I haven't done too many of those, so I do get confused. But let's see if we can figure this out together. Okay. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's see here. Mark, you are fired. No napping on the job. No napping on the job. See, what was this one? This one was math, I think you said. Oh, somebody else asked about math, but this is an old coin though. see, math. Is this the one? Let me know if this is the one. Because you can get it on other places than Coinbase. So Max, let me know if this is the one. And this is, because this is a wallet. Somebody asked me about this the other day. And when they said that, man, I haven't heard that in a long time. But yeah, this is a wallet right here. See more, Solana, BNB. This must not be the one. So I would have to go to, let me go ahead and pull that up 1 second. I'm trying to remember where I have so many different, maybe I have it under exchanges. Charting, rather. Is it Dex Tools that I had it on? I don't remember. All right, so we're not getting a response from Max. So, Max, if you ask for a coin, please hang around. It's only fair. So I'm guessing we do it like this, because normally I pull it up from the contract address. It's the same coin. Why would you buy it on? I guess just because it's available to buy it on here. But, I mean, I can just chart it from the other one. I'll chart it here, though. Even though he's not here. Max, let me know if you're here, or forever hold your peace. So this one is market cap 87 million. You know, it's a wallet, and it had a huge pump, retraced. Oh my gosh, it retraced. See, it came down to here. Oh, this one's a tricky one. So whenever they're tricky like that, you have to go to a, oh, I can do this. You have to go to, oh, I don't like this one. That's right, escape. Because all my tools go away. But whenever you have like kind of difficulty seeing what's there, then, oh, Max is here. Thank you, Max. Appreciate you, man. So many people, they'll ask for a coin, and when it's not done in a few minutes, they bounce. It's like, dude. And in the beginning, I would spend like 20 minutes on that coin, and then they were already gone. I was like, man, I just wasted my time. Anyway, but thank you, Max, for being here. Appreciate you. Good thing I didn't say nothing bad about you. I was thinking about it. See, so whenever it's kind of hard, just go to the lower time frame. That we can see more ups and downs. So here we can see it came up, came down, found support. Then it went up, resistance, came down, support. Now it's kind of doing this little, range. You can say from here to here. Came down. Right now it's winding down. Like if you drew a triangle, it's like at the very, very apex, the very peak. You know, what is it going to do? Is it going to break down or break up? It looks stronger. We have a low, we have a higher low, we have a high, we have a higher high. So it's changing potentially the trajectory. It's changing the trend potential. Let's see here. C-Tree says, Joe, is it safe to use the auto fib indicator in TradingView? I don't like using any auto anything. I mean, you could, but what I would recommend doing is putting that on. And then, of course, you have to know how to use it first. So that if you see it and you're like, no, I don't like how it's drawn. And then you draw it, you know. But I used to have what did I used to have? I used to have the patterns, I think, on. And I thought it was cool. I thought it was super cool. But there was some patterns that were like just way, way off. It's like, no, I don't like it. But yeah, I mean, what I would do is try it and then see if it's with how you've been taught. And if it's not what you've been taught, then I would just remove it. Let's see, Night of, somebody says, LOL, retweet, or fun moment. Man, I tell you what, I'm so tired. It's ridiculous. It is ridiculous. I had very little sleep today, and then I woke up and I thought I missed my business meeting, but I was actually early by 30 minutes, so that was good. Let's see here. I see Mark says, yep, I asked about math, but forgot why now. Oh, love you guys. You guys are great. Okay, so back to this. Can we enter? Well, let's chart it out. Let's chart it out. Let's go from here to here. Let's do this trend line. Make it white so it stands out. So we have support. We have support. We need this to gain support. If it doesn't gain support, what I would strongly recommend is to watch for this level. Again, throughout the entire chart, there's nothing but levels. To watch for this level. Could you do a fib retracement? Yes, of course you could. But I would watch for this level. Because if it breaks below this, this is our last resort. This is our last support zone for it to possibly come up. Well, let's draw it out. Pause. Take this off. Let's make this bigger. So for it to go down, then possibly come up, get rejected, come back down, find support off of this level. Granted, this should be that. So this is the level we're looking at. We're looking at it doing this possible. And then like it needs to break back up and then continue this for the uptrend. But if it does come down and it loses support, now this is our next support level, which is pretty far down. So that's what I would recommend. Right now, just a waiting game. So just to make it a little simpler, what you can do, let me get out of this. I hate that it doesn't have this. Good Lord. Let's delete that. Let's put our magnet tool on. And let's get this, put that right there. Move this over. Okay, so to make this simple, for me anyway, wrong one, it's this one. Price label. So to make this simple, you want to watch for a break above this level, and we'll do yellow and we'll do black. So you want to wait for a break above this level for a long, and if it breaks this level, just know that we're going to have a world of hurt. So I do like that very much. All right, so if you have not already, please smash the likes, guys. As you come in, smash the likes. I believe we got every single one of the suggestions of the coins. And with that being said, I do thank you guys. You guys are the best. I do want to leave you with one thing real quick. You go to indicators, you come over here to one of these. You can't break it. Just check it out. Try what it is. So you go to technicals and you go to strategies. This is all, I mean, you can see what they do. You can see what they do. All these are free. All these are from TradingView. You go to profile. So here's the fixed range profile. Session volume profile. Let's see. Is this what I think it is? I just put a star on it. So, oh, I think it just shows the open and close, I guess. I don't know. Unstar it. But anyway, I can go to patterns. This is what I was talking about. So let's say you want to see double bottom patterns. You can just click on it. Let's see you want to do Elliott waves. That sounds pretty cool. Let's see you want to do, bullish patterns. So we have a double bottom. Head and shoulders would be bearish. We would want a inverse head and shoulders. So let's just say we just wanted those, and that's it. You have all candlestick patterns. You have abandoned baby, which is so funny. When it comes to candlestick patterns, I don't believe in this stuff. What I do is I look at the candles, and I can see each candle tells a story, and a group of candles tells a novel. So that's what I do. I look at the candle bodies, I look at the size, I look at, just everything about it, the wick, where the wicks are at, just everything. And the next series of the candle bodies, and that tells me the momentum possible of what might happen based off of what already happened. So like abandoned baby, really? Walking on the beach, evening star, hangman, hanging man, inverted hammer, inverted belly button. I mean, there's all these different ones here. It's just ridiculous. You know, 3 white soldiers. I was going to say something else, but we'll leave it at that. All right. So here we go. Looking at this. Cool. This is the Elliott waves. I don't know how to do it. It's here. It's awesome. It's great. And there you go. It's giving you a projection of what might happen. That's pretty cool. You don't even have to know how to do it. Now, what I would recommend, though, is for you to know, like, if you have patterns or something. Okay, so let's look at this one. Doable. I've seen way worse than this, but it's doable. So that's what I would do. I just click on them and see what they do. And these are free. The only thing that's going to stop you is the amount of membership you have. So, you might have to take off a few to add a few to try them out, so on and so forth. But I think this is cool. I like it. All right. Let's see here. Night of Insomnia says, abandoned baby. Is that right? Yep. Never heard of that one before. Oh, yeah, man. Inverted hammer, inverted belly button. They got all kinds of stuff. Walking on the beach, evening star, moonrise. It's just dumb, in my opinion. If you use it and it works, great. I'll be Tony the Tiger for you. That's great. All right, guys. So that's it for the show. Make sure to smash a like. Before we leave, I would love for everybody to smash a number 4 to let me know that you're still here. Smash the number 4. If you're watching this on the replay, smash the hashtag number 4. We're going to do our little outro. All right, guys. My name is Joe. This is TradeIntuition, where we show you every single day how to successfully trade in the most simplistic form, period. I should talk about support, resistance, trend lines. That's it. You don't have to have all these things on your chart to make you look smart. All you need to know is support, resistance, trend lines. I do thank you guys so much. If you're interested, join the VIP. The VIP is where it's at. We're kicking butt. We would love to have you on our team. That's all I got. We'll see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. And of course, everybody else will see in the VIP. All right. Thank you so much. And 3, 2, and 1. Special thank you to Lenny Kid bringing up VRA, which is my favorite. VRA is my favorite. We got Max. Max is my new favorite. What's up, Max? So happy you're here, buddy. Of course, if you like the stream, if you like the no nonsense style of trading and the actual experience being taught, definitely sign up, brother. Sign up for the membership, subscription, whatever you want to call it, YouTube. Teach you all the stuff, man. Teach you all the stuff. And all this is realistic stuff. I don't do any of these hopes and dreams and promises and, blah, blah, blah. No. I show you my wins. I show you my losses. I'm real. I'm real. Everybody else, no. In my opinion, I don't need to dress up to look, smart or fancy or rich or what. I don't need to dress up. I don't need to have, I don't need to articulate well, speak well, blah, blah. No, this is me. I'll tell you my stories too. I got a lot of stories. We got 420. 420, don't be jealous, man. You my favorite. Don't worry about it. You my favorite. King, or I always say King. Night of Insomnia. So happy here. You, my favorite. Dave P's my favorite. Of course, that. Ian, the man, the myth, the legend. Ian is my favorite, of course. We got Mark. Mark is my favorite. So happy you guys are here. Let's see here. Who else do we have? I know there's some more. C-Tree. Definitely appreciate you for being here. We have Max, who I thought was who left, and ooh, man, Max, I was gonna talk behind your back, but I don't like doing that. I like saying it to your face, so I will tell you to your face. Don't get offended, man. You are my new favorite. Yes, you are. You are my new favorite. We got Cali Trader in the house. What's up, Cali Trader? Man, you good? You good? All right, we got Ellipse Gaming. Very nice. With Axie Infinity. Very nice job. We have TRON. Thank you for being here. Oh, we didn't look at TRON, but he's not here though. TRON's not here. I did a call out for him. Normally, if people come in, they do their thing. You don't say it in like 5-10 minutes. Well, usually like 5 minutes, they bounce. Let's see here. We got Crypto 420 in the house. Crypto 420, appreciate you for being here. You my favorite. We got JT. Man, this is old school right here. Old school, man. Been around for a long time. Known this guy for a long time. So of course, JT, appreciate you, buddy. Appreciate you for being here. Hope you're loving the VIP. Of course, we got Pita in the house. Peter, you're my favorite, man. You're my favorite. I believe I got everybody. And if I missed you, well, we will get you on the next go around. Of course, Dave P is my favorite. And I believe that is all. All right, guys. Well, my name is Joe. This is, oh, Juno. Forgot Juno. I think I said hi already. But Juno, I do appreciate you very much. So just kind of let you know, guys, you guys are the best. I appreciate all the love and just support y'all are doing. All the retweets on Twitter, all the likes, all the comments, all that really does help get this out there to people who I'm trying to prevent from being bamboozled from all these other people. And it's a lot of work. So I need y'all's help. And I appreciate you for helping. All right, that's all I got. 3, 2, 1. DJ, play that music. Just jam out for about 10 seconds and then call it a day. And then you got to get back to work. Of course, don't talk to me.